Healthcare is a necessary human right. To simply acknowledge that our healthcare system is fractured would be an obvious observation. Our existing condition requires innovation, and us reimagining patient care, patient advocacy, and a holistic approach. The Mary J. Harris Foundation is committed to improving health access that includes shaping a sustainable quality healthcare for tomorrow, a crucial new beginning.
My name is Michael King. I'm the Executive Director of South End Technology Center, and it was founded by my father, Mel King, who was a longtime activist and politician, so to speak. He created the South End Technology Center because he was concerned that we would miss the information highway that he had heard about. He was a professor at MIT and was at a symposium that talked about this great new technology that was coming through. As he retired, he asked them to convert his benefit into creating a space for people in what's called underserved communities. As a legislator, he was one of the most successful in terms of creating legislation that we still see today, from urban gardening to community development finance. In his 90s, as he was, sort of losing some of his abilities, he needed, a lot of medical care. One of my sisters who had come, who was a physician, and she ran into a lot of challenges. They weren't providing the best care that was possible for him. Basically just sort of, put him out to pasture, and it was as if they couldn't understand why we were trying so hard to make him comfortable, give him a good quality of life at that time. And there seemed to be a lot of obstacles. There just wasn't the type of care that anybody deserves, and especially, for someone who had given so much to his community.
Mel King served as a hero to many, and it hurts me to hear that he experienced the fractures within our healthcare system, within his own community.
If people get a negative response, they're not going to come to the hospital. They're not going to see it as a healing institution.
If this can happen to Mel King, this can happen to us all. Join us in creating the healthcare for tomorrow, a new healthcare for today.